Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to install CyberGhost VPN on Windows 10. To begin, open a web browser on your computer for download. Check the link in the description to try CyberGhost VPN for a huge discount. Once you are on the website, locate and click on the My Account option. Log in using your username and password. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to create one before proceeding. After logging in, navigate to the VPN Downloads section. Look for the option labelled CyberGhost VPN for Windows and click on the Download App button next to it. A pop-up window will appear prompting you to save the installation file. Choose a location on your computer to save the file, then click Save. Once the download is complete, open the folder where the installation file is saved. Double-click on the file to start the installation process. If prompted by the User Account Control window, click Yes to allow the installer to make changes to your computer. The installation wizard will now open. Carefully read through the terms and conditions, then click on the Accept button to proceed. Wait for the installation process to complete. This might take a few minutes depending on your system. Once the installation is finished, the CyberGhost VPN application will open automatically. If it doesn't, you can open it manually by finding the CyberGhost VPN shortcut on your desktop or in the Start menu. On the login screen, enter your username and password again, then click the Login button. Once you are logged in, you will see the main dashboard of the CyberGhost VPN application. To connect to a VPN server, click the Connect button on the dashboard. CyberGhost VPN will automatically assign you the best server based on your location and network speed. Once connected, your internet connection will be secured and your IP address will be hidden. That's it. That's how you can solve the How to install CyberGhost VPN on Windows 10 inches problem. Check the link in the description to try CyberGhost VPN for a huge discount. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.